Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change Go button settings on Insta360 Go. And to do this you'll need to download Insta360 Go app on your iPhone and connect your camera using the plug, then go for the settings, and inside there's a Go button settings. You can access them. Here we have quick capture, press once when camera is off, and you can change it to standard photo, standard video, slow motion, hyperlapse, and etc. There's also recording length you can change, and press once when camera is on to take a standard photo and also change to any of the modes available, double press, and etc. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.